Snow Monkey has multiple skiing machine patterns, provide users with safer and better product and service experience. Uses more advanced transmission devices and more safety protection systems. Multiple safety protection systems, emergency stop pull line, scientific design, infrared sensors, remote control one-button solution. The sliding medium uses a more realistic dry ski. It can be slided at an angle of 8 degrees in a stationary state. More efficient without sharpened edges. Close to the experience of real snow. Effective training for various skiing movements. Friendly for both skier and snowboarder. Suitable for both new and expert. Intelligent system is more energy saving. Machine lifetime maintenance provides more peace of mind. From demand docking, site planning, order production, installation and commissioning, operation assistance and resource docking, a variety of machine configurations are available for selection. Customize production services to meet different customer required. Aim to develop and grow together with customers.